Welcome to Beyond Horizons. In this series, we are going to learn DIgSILENT PowerFactory step by step, starting from basics and gradually moving towards advanced power system studies and dynamic simulations. We'll cover everything from creating power system model and performing load flow analysis and fault studies, stability analysis, and dynamic studies. So, let's start from the very beginning. In this video, we will learn how to place the buses in the Power Factory single line diagram and then gradually build a basic network. So, this is the Power Factory layout. And once you see here on the left hand side, you see there are these components, right? You can use these components and just click on it and drag it to the, you don't even have to drag it. Click and place. Okay, this is how you have to place it. For example, now in this series, we will see about how to place the buses and how to key in the values. So as I see, we need the buses, right? So in bus bar and terminals, you take the first one, click on it and drag it here. Okay, and click. So it'll open up as a terminal. You press escape because wherever I move my mouse, there's this black line that is the bus connected. So in order, if you don't want it, just press escape key. It will be going away. Then this is called terminal in DIgSILENT PowerFactory. Double click it and we need it as buses because then only we'll know from which bus to which bus, the line connections, the transmission line connections will be easy. So for our simplicity, let's name this as bus 1. Okay. And then we know it is an AC bus. Then faces are ABC parameters and it is a bus bar. We have to enter line to line voltage. Okay. So for now, I'm using 11 kV. So automatically the line to ground parameters changes. For example, now you can see if I make it 110, it'll be 63.5. And now if I change it to 132, you would see the parameter line to ground changing automatically. So now I'm changing back to 11 kV. Okay. And then once you do this, you have to say OK. Okay. Now I need another bus with a similar voltage, which means what I can do is select it, Control C, right click, you can paste it. You can paste it wherever you want to. Okay. And remember, double click it. It will be, because we have copied it from the earlier bus, it will say as B1 of 1. So what we can do is we'll name it as B2, which is bus 2. And of course, the line to line is preserved because we have copied it. Okay. Similarly, so what I did, I just did Control C and then I right clicked it and I pasted it. Now you can just do also Control V so that you can place another bus. Okay. And you place it here. Again, double click it because it'll again be the same. So change it to B3 and double check it and see whether the voltage levels are the same and say OK. And here, do you see 110 kV? Just click on it and change it to 100. From 110 to 11 kV because 110 kV will be the base case, which is already present. But then you can use the 11 kV because our buses are modeled to be 11 kV. And then double click it. It will ask about the the type. You see this name, there is type, right? You click on it because we don't have any selected type already. So we go for the new project type. And here you have to mention it as 11 kV and say OK. And again, OK. Got it? And similarly, double click it, click on it, new project type, and you see 11 kV. Okay. and say OK again. Similarly, double click it. Click on the type. It is new project type because it's a completely new project. And then you do 11 kV and you say OK and an OK again. So this is how you place the buses and give the voltages. But we will do the load flow analysis, right? For load flow analysis, what are the things that is required? Double click it and you see load flow, click on it. You will have the voltage level controls here, right? Automatically you see 11 kV is coined in. And if the target voltage for a particular bus is like 1.05, then you can change it here accordingly. Okay, that once we key in all the other parameters, then we'll come back depending upon the bus system. For basic system, it is 1 for all the buses, but some cases they will specify the bus voltage, and in that case, we can change in the target voltage as I showed you. So this is all about the basics, and this is all about how do you place the buses from the drawing tools to the area where you make the network. Thank you very much. And please like, share, and subscribe to Beyond Horizons. Thank you.